Hey everyone. So today we are on the exciting adventure to one of the most stunning places in Penang, the Kek Lok Si Temple. I can't wait to explore this incredible temple and share its beauty with you, so buckle up because we are about to dive into the world of spirituality, history and breathtaking views. So here we have arrived at the car park and the ticket counter are also available in front of me. So on the right hand side, if you see, the people can climb up from the stairs and the tickets are available for the inclined lift, which are 16 ringgit for adults and 8 ringgit for the kids. So totally worth it for the experience that we are about to have. Ooh, here we go, hopping onto the inclined lift. This is such a cool way to climb up to the temple slope. The ride is short, just about a minute, but the views are already starting to wow me. Look at all the greenery. Feel like I'm ascending into the peaceful paradise. Now we are transferring to the battery operated buggy. So this is the level 2 where we will be getting the buggy to level 3, and this buggy is like a little shuttle to the next level of awesome. These buggies can fit up to the 14 people, so it's a fun way to travel with fellow visitors. Ready to roll. Welcome to the level 3. Look at these souvenirs. Ah my gosh, the next inclined lift is right inside the shop. How convenient is that? Let's hop on and head to the main temple area. Wow, finally we have reached to the level 4. This is the main area where we are going to explore the beauty of the Kek Lok Si Temple. Let's go. See, look at the massive statue of Kuan Yin, the goddess of mercy, standing 36.5 meter tall. This bronze statue is one of the tallest in the world. It's so majestic and serene. I feel like it's watching all over the Penang. Let's get closer and take it all in. So here is one of the most iconic structures. This is Seven-Tiered Pagoda of 10,000 Buddhas, also known as Rama 6 Pagoda. The Kek Lok Si Temple was founded in 1890 by the Buddhist monk named Bu Lin. Now let's check out the drone footage which is covering the entire statue and the whole Kek Lok Si Temple complex. Wow, it looks like it's so beautiful. I'm getting closer to see the statue more closer. amazing, mind blowing. Now let's talk about the significance of the name Kek Lok Si. So the name Kek Lok Si translates to a temple of supreme bliss in English. It's fitting a name of this serene and majestic place which attracts millions of visitors every year, both from its spiritual significance and its stunning architecture. During the Chinese New Year, this Kek Lok Si Temple transforms into the magical wonderland. Thousands of lanterns and lights illuminate the temple, creating a breathtaking spectacles. It's one of the best time to visit as the temple becomes a hub of cultural and spiritual celebrations. So here we are going to the Chandi Bodhisattva Hall. This is the prayer hall and the atmosphere is so peaceful. The devotees are lighting the lamps and offering the prayers to the goddess Bodhisattva statue. It's a beautiful reminder of the power of faith and hope. And now we are moving to the another one. This is something called Liberation Pond, where the people release turtles for the good luck. Isn't that such a meaningful tradition, right? Alright, so it's time to go back. We are heading back now, taking the incline lift to back to the level 3, and then here is the buggy for the last time. So thank you for joining me on this adventure. I hope you have enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more amazing journeys. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. So you can enjoy the drone footage at the last. Till then, tata, bye bye and see you again.